Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Eggs are a good source of protein and you can enjoy them anytime during the day. So today I'm going to show you some delicious Masala Walnut Omelettes with the goodness of walnuts in them. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Masala Walnut Omelettes, first I'm going to mix a few ingredients together, starting with 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Next add 3 green chilies thinly sliced, few cloves of garlic finely chopped, few chopped coriander leaves. Next add half cup of chopped walnuts. Adding walnuts to this omelette makes this a nutritionally wholesome dish. Incorporating a handful of walnuts to your breakfast may provide you key nutrients to fuel your morning and your day. You can add walnuts in your poha, upma, oatmeal, sprinkle them on top of a yogurt bowl, grind them up into a smoothie to make your morning meals more wholesome. Next I'm going to season it. For this I've taken 1 teaspoon of salt, add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chilli powder. If you'd like it nice and spicy, you can add another extra teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Make sure all the ingredients are coated with the spice mix. So there, I've mixed everything nicely. I'm just going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. Just whisk all the eggs. Pour the whisked eggs into the onion mixture and mix everything together. So now the mixture for the omelettes is ready. Now let's start making these delicious Masala Walnut Omelettes. So we're going to make nice small omelettes. To a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Take a ladle of the egg mixture. Keep it on medium flame. Once the omelette is cooked on one side, I'm just going to pour another teaspoon of oil on top and flip it over. Once the omelette is cooked on both sides, remove from the pan and serve it hot immediately. There you go. Here are these incredibly tasty and simple Masala Walnut Omelettes. Now they can be made so quickly and so easily, and of course you can adjust the spice according to your taste. So do try these, enjoy them and share it with your family and friends.